Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to do a sister lock count. So I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view of what they're looking like now, and then also give you like a mini update. I have never counted my locks, so I really want to know. Let me know in the comments how many locks you think that I have before you finish the video. And for me, I'm gonna guess. Let me give y'all a little quick guess. I think I have about, like, look y'all, I'm trying to bunch them up and guess on the low. I think I have like maybe 250, 200, 250. That might be a lot though, because I don't really know. Like, let's see, this would be 1 2 3 4 5. I might be at like 180. I don't know. I really can't, because I don't even know. That's my guess. I couldn't really tell you. I think it's like 150. We're gonna go with 250 or 150. That's what we're gonna do. Let me do 360 for y'all. As you can see, my locks have super thickened up. I'm excited about that. I'm just showing you the bottom of my hair, the top, and the middle. The grid is absolutely still there. I just need to get a retightening. But y'all let me know what y'all think. What y'all think below in the comments. How are your locks doing if you do have locks and you're watching this? And what stage are you in? Y'all ready for the drum roll? I have 360 locks, roughly. I am amazed at how far they have come. This is why y'all need to think about getting sister locks. Just look at the growth. Look at the difference from when I first started. You can check out my sister lock installation day up until now, and we got a long ways to go. Y'all, what hair was I pulling down at the end? Somebody tell me. All right, let's hit that mini update. They have been getting buds on the ends on some of them. For example, I think this one, yeah, you can kind of see it getting, do how the real natural YouTubers be. They be like, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Some of them are budding on the ends. We're getting close to the lock. I know they're growing healthy. My ends are clearly still curly, which I actually like. If they were to stay that way and just kind of lock from here, I mean from, you know, here to here or whatever it may be, I would be fine with that. I think my favorite look is when they look fuller, like not after I just got them retightened. Some people like that look because they look fresher, but not me. Y'all know that, you know, the shrinkage is uber real. Like, when I get it retightened, my hair be looking like, okay, length, come through, okay, length. But then, as you can see, this is like 2 weeks after retightening. I go like at least 5 to 6 weeks. So it's been either 2 or 3 weeks. And after that, my hair be back to shrinkage life, which is fine with me because it's still full. One day I'll show y'all my retighten life, one day, but not right now. When I first started getting sister locks, the number was a big deal to me. Like, in my head, I was thinking I could tell her, could you do like 300 or 250, or this is the amount of locks that I want? But no, that's not necessarily how it works. That I learned. That's because in the beginning they looked thin because I didn't have a bunch of hair. My hair was only 6 inches long. I was thinking, let's figure out how we can maximize this volume right now, but that didn't come until later. So just realize that when you are in the process of getting your installation, or in the process of trying to figure out who you should go to, if you should get sister locks, micro locks, or dreadlocks, just know those are all three, and they all grow differently. They all obviously look different, and you maintain them, I would say, pretty much different. Sister locks is something that is just on its own. Now, dreadlocks as well, but you can install them different ways, in my opinion. Like, you can coil them. People will start dreads in different ways. People do micro locks in different ways, but sister locks is kind of like that retightening tool you use, and it's like
Doom, 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 doom. Like you really like, it looks like kind of like weaving when it comes to Sisterlocks. And my point is, I think that it's a lot of misconceptions when it comes to when you first get them, but they're gonna bloom and do their own thing. Literally, like I always refer to them as a plant. They're gonna grow the way they want to grow, long as you're nourishing them. As long as you're giving, you refilling that soil and you watering that plant, it's gonna grow in its own way, but beautifully. Does that make sense? I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on? What is it that you haven't clicked that red button for? So make sure you subscribe, click like, share this video. I appreciate you watching it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.